Happy Thursday. Good morning, second graders. I hope you're all doing very well, staying safe and staying well. Today I'm going to go over your math lesson. Still talking about calendars. So we need to make sure that we are remembering our months of the year. Okay. The order of our months is very important for us to remember, as well as how many months there are. All right, so I'm going to share my screen now so you can see pages 244, 245 are what I'm going to go over. So let's look at this first problem that it's an example they did for you, but let's talk about it for just a second. Anne buys 3 coloring books every 2 months from February 1st through July 31st. How many coloring books does Anne buy in all? Okay, sorry, I'm back. We are looking at the picture here. They have divided it up by the months of the year: February, March, April, May, June, July, and they have grouped them into groups of 2 because it said that she buys 3 every 2 months. So they've put them into groups of 2, and they have wrote above 3 books, 3 books, 3 books. Just about 3 books during these 2 months, 3 books during these 2 months, 3 books during these 2 months. Now we could skip count 3, 6, 9, or we can add 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. So how many books did Anne buy in all? Anne buys 9 coloring books in all. She bought 9 coloring books from the beginning of February to the end of July, if she bought 3 every 2 months. Let's look at the bottom. Gabby has a spelling test every Friday in November. She spells 5 words correctly on each test. So how many words does Gabby spell correctly on all the spelling tests in November? Let's look at all the Fridays in November first, okay? Let's do it like this. Okay, here's a Friday. It's November. Here's our calendar. The first Friday is the 3rd, so we're going to write 5 on it. Okay, the next Friday is the 10th. We're going to put a 5 on it. The next Friday is the 17th, and we're going to put a 5 on it. Okay, then the 24th is the next Friday. All right, then here is a Friday, but is that Friday in the month of November? No, because the 30th is the last day of the month of November. November only has 30 days. So we have the 3rd, the 10th, the 17th, and the 24th. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 Fridays in November. And if you skip count by 5s, you can figure out how many words you spelled correctly in November. 5, 10, 15, 20. So our answer is Gabby spelled 20. Gabby spelled 20 words correctly in November. Or you could have added 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which also equals 20. Okay? Right, let's move along. Let's look at this page. Otis goes ice skating every Monday and Friday in January. How many times does Otis go ice skating in January? Every Monday and Friday. So every Monday and every Friday, we're going to put a dot, okay? Actually, I'm going to put a star, okay? Every Monday and every Friday, I'm going to put a star, okay? So there's a Friday. There's a Monday. There's a Friday. A Monday. A Friday. Monday. Friday. Monday. Friday. And do I have any more in January? No, that's all. So how many times does Otis go ice skating in January? Let's count up where I put stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Otis goes ice skating 9 times in January. Okay. And we're going to stop with number 14. So let's do it and then we will be done. Rosa visits her aunt once a month. How many times does Rosa visit her aunt in a year? All right, so once a month. And we want to know in a whole year. Well, how many months are in a year? How many months are in a year? If you don't know off the top of your head, you could name them off and count them, okay? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. So if she does it one time every month, then she is going to visit her aunt 12 times. Okay? Max chose D. So Max chose 52. This answer is wrong. How did Max get his answer? Why would Max choose 52 as the answer? What does that magic number have to do with a year? Oh, there are 52 weeks in a year. So Max got confused. He got his numbers confused. He chose the number of weeks in a year instead of the number of months. Okay? That is how he got that answer. Okay, I'm going to stop there for today. If you have any questions about anything that I went over, just let me know. You'll need to finish those out independently and have a grown-up, a parent, grandparent, older brother or sister check your work and go over it with you. Talk about what you did right, what you did wrong, what you need to work on. Okay, I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.